Welcome everyone. In this video, I will not talk about the post-match analysis or tactical analysis of the match, but I am here to talk about how to fix this broken team Barcelona. And again, I will not talk about the managers or president of the club or the whole staff. We all know there will be protest now to change President Bartomeu or bring new manager, but I will talk more about how to fix this Barca team internally, the whole squad. So let's get started. First of all, Barca need to start rebuilding their team from the scratch. Last Barca lineup average age was 30 years, which was the oldest team of Barca. Barcelona need players who are pacey, who are young. In forward, Barca have Dembele. He'll be playing next season. We all know what he can do. He's a great player, but his injuries didn't let him do. Also, Ansu Fati will be given more game time next season. In the striker position, I don't think Suarez will be a starter for next season, even though he was the only one in the quarter-final match from Barca side who looked to be putting everything in the match, but he's past his prime and will be 34 coming January. Martinez from Inter will be a good option for Barca. Otherwise, Griezmann needs to start playing well, giving the team that finishing spark. In the midfield, De Jong will be the starter next season. Ricky Puig too on that midfield. Also Pjanic arriving to Barca. The midfield should be good next season, but the worst in this season is defense. Barca throughout the season were not good in the defense, and that is what happened in the match against Bayern. Barca needs some young and pacey players, as PK is 33 years old and Langley, who was the only player in the defense, playing well but lacks pace. Also, Umtiti remained injured throughout the season. If we look into the Bayern vs Barca match, Bayern attacked from the wide positions with Perisic, Kimmich, Davies easily crossing balls into the area. Barca couldn't defend. They just kept on conceding. Now, on the goalkeeper, Ter Stegen, who was one level above everyone in the backline in this season, should play. Barca need to figure out his contract. Also, there are some speculation about Messi's contract, but he will continue next season as he is the only one single-handedly taking Barca out from troubles and none of the players can take his position. Another fix that needs to be applied is changing the style of play. Bringing that Pep Guardiola tactics or bringing in players who are good on the ball and have pace. If we see how Barca played in this season or the past season, Barca played more from the wide areas. It was every team who watched Barca game or the opposition who faced Barca can predict where the next pass is going to be because of that slow-paced game with wide passing and then passing backwards. If a team plays a low block or blocking that mid area, Barca couldn't break down, attack from the midfield. This is what happened in this season's La Liga, especially after the football resumed. Barca need to bring back that combination play or the false line play, which was a huge success in Pep's campaign. Those 1-2 link-up plays needs to be rebuilt if they want to play their tiki-taka or philosophy game. And the last point what I will talk about is every player from Barca needs to step up and give their 100% in the games. We only see one, Leo Messi, stepping up for Barca and creating things. It is not that other players can't create anything, it's just that they don't step up in the crucial games. And the blame goes to Messi. Every player needs to show why they are selected in the lineup, whether it is defense, midfield or forward. We have seen if Messi doesn't do, none of the players will try to create, and this trend is continuing from that Roma, Liverpool and now Bayern. Players need to coordinate more and should have fighting spirit. And for all these changes, Barca need to sort out the external affairs and then try to reshape the team. That's it for this video. Please like, subscribe and comment down below your thoughts about how Barca could fix this team. Thanks for watching.